From the outside, this looks like something Caterpillar built to survive a war zone. From the inside, it feels like a penthouse you'd find in downtown Manhattan, and somehow, it's both. This is the 2026 Caterpillar IRONVAULT 6x6. Only 12 of these will ever be made. Each one is built to order. The wait list is already 18 months long, and the price? $4 million. This is not a converted truck with a camper bolted on top. This was designed from the ground up by the same engineers who build machines for mines, oil fields, and construction sites all over the world. Caterpillar took everything they know about building things that never break and turned it into a luxury home that goes anywhere. That construction DNA is what makes this vehicle different from everything else we've ever covered. The first thing that hits you is the body. This is not sheet metal bolted to a frame. The entire shell is built from reinforced steel plate, the same grade Caterpillar uses on heavy excavators. You could throw rocks at this thing all day and it would not care. Underneath, 6 wheels, a 6x6 drivetrain. That means all 6 wheels receive power all the time. Where most expedition vehicles use 4, this one adds a third axle for extra traction and load carrying ability. Now, look at the roof. A full solar array sits alongside a satellite communications dome and a fold-out weather station. This vehicle is designed to park somewhere with no roads, no power grid, and no cell signal, and stay there as long as you want. Standing next to it, the IRONVAULT is taller than most delivery trucks and longer than a city bus. It does not ask for space on the road, it takes it. But the real surprise is inside. But everything changes when you step inside. The thing you notice first, the bones of the machine are still visible. Caterpillar left the structural steel beams exposed along the ceiling and walls, but they finished them in brushed satin, and between those beams, hand-stitched Italian leather panels and dark walnut wood trim. It is industrial and luxurious at the same time, like a high-end loft apartment built inside a factory. The main living space has a U-shaped lounge, a convertible dining table that seats 4, and panoramic windows on both sides. The ceiling height is just over 6.5 feet. You don't feel like you're inside a vehicle. You feel like you're inside a very expensive, very small home. And that's not even the best part. This is not a camp stove and a mini fridge. This is a proper galley kitchen built for someone who actually cooks. A full induction cooktop, a convection oven, a wine cooler built into the lower cabinetry. And here is the detail that got me. The granite countertop slides out on a hidden rail, doubling your prep space in about 3 seconds. The storage is floor to ceiling. Pull-out drawers, magnetic spice racks, and a full-size refrigerator hidden behind a panel that matches the walnut trim. You could host a dinner party in the middle of the Sahara and nobody would believe the food came from a truck. But wait until you see what's behind this door. The floor is heated black stone tile. Not vinyl made to look like stone, actual stone, warm under your feet even when it's freezing outside. A rainfall shower head, a full vanity with storage, and tucked behind a separate partition, a dedicated washer-dryer unit. You could live in this vehicle for months and never visit a laundromat. Walk past the bathroom and you reach the master bedroom. A king-size mattress sits on a hydraulic platform that lifts up, revealing a full storage vault underneath for gear, equipment, or supplies. The headboard wall is upholstered in the same Italian leather as the living area. Reading lights on both sides, USB charging built into the frame, and the rear window, it's a single pane of heated glass that keeps condensation out, so you always wake up to a clear view. The closet space here is bigger than some studio apartments. That is not an exaggeration. The driver sits high above everything. The instrument cluster is fully digital, custom built by Caterpillar using the same interface design they use in mining equipment. Clear, simple, no clutter. A 360-degree camera system feeds into a 12-inch central display. You can see every angle of this machine at all times. Blind spots do not exist. And there's a satellite communication panel built into the overhead console. Phone calls, internet, weather data, even in places with 0 cell coverage. You'd never guess what powers this thing. Now let's talk about what moves this machine. Under the cab sits a Caterpillar C13 inline-6 turbo diesel. This is the same engine family that powers bulldozers and industrial generators around the world. 580 horsepower, over 1,800 pound-feet of torque. That is enough to pull a loaded freight container uphill without breaking a sweat. The drivetrain sends power to all 6 wheels through a reinforced Caterpillar transfer case. It is built for torque, strength, and long-distance endurance, not speed. This engine was not borrowed from another manufacturer. Caterpillar built it. They built the transmission. They built the transfer case. That is the difference. Every moving part was designed to work together from day one. This vehicle can handle deep desert sand and rocky mountain passes without hesitation. Where normal RVs stop, this machine keeps going. The suspension adjusts up to 10 inches of additional ground clearance at the push of a button from the cockpit. It can ford water up to 42 inches deep, and the approach and departure angles are steep enough to climb terrain that would strand most military vehicles. This is a machine built by a company that has spent over 100 years engineering equipment for the worst conditions on Earth, and that's exactly why only 12 of these will ever exist. Most people see this and assume it's just for show. They're wrong. Picture this. It's late afternoon. You're parked on a ridge somewhere deep in the Namib Desert. The sand glows orange in every direction. There's no road behind you, no tracks, just silence. You slide open the side window. Warm air comes in. You can smell the dust. Inside, the cooktop clicks on. You pour a glass from the wine cooler. The sun is dropping fast, and the sky is turning colors you've never seen in a city. Tonight, you'll sleep in a king-size bed with heated floors beneath you and 1 billion stars outside your window. And tomorrow morning, you'll start the engine and the Iron Vault will take you somewhere even more remote. This is not just a vehicle. It is a mobile base camp for a life most people only dream about.
The Caterpillar IRONVAULT 6x6 is more than a motorhome. It is a rolling fortress, a luxury home, and an off-road machine all in one. With only 12 units in existence and a price tag of $4 million, this might be the rarest and most extreme expedition vehicle ever built. Caterpillar didn't just enter the expedition vehicle world. They redefined what's possible when a construction giant decides to build a home on wheels. So, here's my question for you. Could you leave your house behind and live in this full-time? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see a vehicle that costs 10 times less but still goes places this one can't, that video is right here.